Hello, sweet crew, and welcome to a new episode of
Easy Peasy Tuesday Squeezy.
This week, we're learning how to turn a cake pop mix into something that tastes homemade, and we're learning how to cut a cake to get the most slices out of it. For the cake pop mix, check the ingredients in the back of the cake mix, and here's how you're gonna switch it up. Instead of water, use milk. Instead of vegetable oil that doesn't taste much, use a 1/4 cup of melted butter and a 1/4 cup of sour cream. For the eggs, simply add 1 extra egg to what is written on the box. To enhance the chocolate flavor, my favorite trick is using either instant coffee or instant espresso powder. Dissolve the instant coffee in the milk. Bake in the oven at the same temperature and time frame mentioned on the instructions of the cake box. For the slicing of the cake, we're all used to cutting the cake in half, then each half in half, and each half in half. But you still don't get the maximum out of your cake. You cut a circle inside your cake about 1 inch from the border. For the outer circle, cut every half inch. For the inner circle, you can either go with 4 or 8 slices depending on how generous you feel. That's it for this week's tips and tricks on Easy Peasy. I hope you liked it. If you did, subscribe to my channel to never miss an episode, like this video, comment what tricks you'd like to see next, and go check out my other videos. Stay tuned Friday for a new episode of
Cook It!